Today I'm going to do this vlog to show you all how to do sponge cake. Before seeing this video, go and like it and subscribe to my channel. First of all, we have to wash our hands. For this recipe, we will need some ingredients that are these ones: sugar, flour, oil, 3 eggs, a yogurt, and a packet of baking powder. Also, we will need some tools that are a spatula, a container, and a bowl. Before beginning to do the mass, we will put on the oven to 150 degrees for 10 minutes approximately for heat the oven. Well, this video has finished. Hope you enjoy it and want to do this recipe. See you soon!